Water is essential for life on Earth. But water on our planet is always moving. It changes form and travels around the world. This continuous movement is called the water cycle. The water cycle is the constant movement of water. Water travels between oceans, land, and the atmosphere. It changes between liquid, vapor, and ice. This natural system never stops. The sun powers the entire water cycle. Solar energy heats oceans, lakes, and rivers. This heat causes water to evaporate. Without the sun, the cycle would stop. Evaporation happens when liquid water turns into vapor. Heat from the sun causes this change. Water molecules move faster and escape into the air. This water vapor rises into the atmosphere. Most evaporation happens in the oceans. Oceans contain about 97% of Earth's water. Warm ocean surfaces release large amounts of vapor. This vapor becomes part of the atmosphere. Plants also release water into the air. This process is called transpiration. Water moves from plant leaves into the atmosphere. Together with evaporation, it forms evapotranspiration. As water vapor rises, the air becomes cooler. Cooling causes vapor to change back into liquid droplets. This process is called condensation. Condensation forms clouds. Clouds are made of tiny water droplets or ice crystals. These droplets gather together in the sky. Wind moves clouds across the atmosphere. Eventually, clouds can produce precipitation. When droplets grow larger, they fall to Earth. This falling water is called precipitation. It can be rain, snow, sleet, or hail. Precipitation returns water to the surface. After precipitation, water collects in many places. It gathers in rivers, lakes, and oceans. Some water flows across the land surface. This process is called runoff. Some water soaks into the ground. This water becomes groundwater. It moves slowly through soil and rock. Groundwater is an important water source. Rivers carry water back to the oceans. The oceans store most of Earth's water. From there, evaporation begins again. This keeps the cycle continuous. The water cycle has no beginning or end. Water constantly changes form and location. The same water molecules move around Earth. Some water we drink today is millions of years old. The water cycle supports ecosystems. It provides fresh water for humans and animals. It also influences weather and climate. Life on Earth depends on this cycle. Water moves through evaporation and transpiration. It forms clouds through condensation. Then precipitation returns water to Earth. Finally, water collects and the cycle repeats. Which process turns liquid water into water vapor? A. Condensation. B. Evaporation. C. Precipitation. D. Runoff.